Good morning, church. This is Peds. My devotion for today is about real love. If I gave everything I have to the poor and even sacrificed my body, I could boast about it. But if I didn't love others, I would have gained nothing. 1 Corinthians 13:3. What is your motivation? Why do you donate money to charities? Do you feel that giving means you are obeying God's command to love others? In your mind, the does how much you give indicate how good you are? Are you measuring yourself by what you give or even what you do for others? Giving money to the people who need help and giving your time to help others are good things. Those who receive help surely benefit from your kindness. However, what you're doing does not mean that you actually love others, which is what God says you should do. There could be many reasons for your generosity without any of them being love. Bragging about your generosity or kindness is a pretty obvious indication of whether or not your giving or serving came from love or pride. If you want others to know what a great person you are, then your motivation is wrong. Real love motivates you to give and serve whether anyone else knows or not. In fact, it's better if no one knows. Love flows from your heart because God loves you deeply and sacrificially. Love begets love. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless.